Today's our new lesson. This baqiya. First letter is ba, and top of the ba sign name is fatah. Is ba fatah ba. Next one qaf and top and dawn of qaf. This sign is kasra. Qaf kasra qi baqi. Okay, baqi. Next one is ya, and top of the ya is sign fatah. Ya fatah ya. Baqiya. Read please. One time repeat it. What is this sign? First letter is ba. Okay. Top of the ba fatah sign. And next one is qaf. We have bottom of qaf. This sign is kasra. Okay. Qaf kasra ki. This one. Okay. After that ya fatah ya. Top of the ya fatah sign. We will read it ba fatah ba qaf kasra qi baqi ya fatah ya baqiya. Okay, read with me one time. Ba fatah ba qaf kasra qi baqi ya fatah ya baqiya. This very easy lesson. Okay. Ba fatah ba qaf kasra qi baqi ya fatah ya. Okay, we are repeating this lesson. Ba fatah ba qaf kasra qi baqi ya fatah ya baqiya. It's very easy. Ba fatah ba qaf kasra qi baqi and ya fatah ya baqiya baqiya. When you will repeat it 10 minutes, after that inshallah you will understand. Carefully repeat only 5 to 10 minutes. Thank you. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.